Welcome, YouTubers, to another episode of The Baddest. I'm your host, Hazel. There are more than 200,000 venomous animal species out there. So many poisonous animals like snakes, bees, frogs, scorpions, centipedes, arachnids, fish, and birds. Which ones are the worst? Which ones will kill you fastest with just a bite or a sting? In this video, we will be looking at the baddest of them all. Animals that will kill you under 5 minutes. If you like this video, don't forget to click the like button. Drop any comments you may have and subscribe to get future content. So out of the 200,000 venomous animals, let's see who will take the top spot. Let's get right into it. Starting off at number 3, we have the Australian funnel web spider. The Australian web spiders are mostly found in, you guessed it right, Australia. So talking about the gender of the spiders, which one do you think delivers most bites? Is it the male or is it the female? Let's see. One thing to note is that the females are generally quite sedentary. Adult males, however, tend to wander during the warmer months of the year, looking for receptive females for mating. They are attracted to water, hence are found in swimming pools, into which they often fall and can astonishingly survive immersion in water for several hours. So take care if you try to save one of these guys, since you will most definitely get a bite. Unlike other venomous spiders, which do not always inject venom when they bite, these spiders most often do. And as you can guess by now, it will be a bite by a wandering male looking for females. So that bite may be quite big, since you are clearly an obstruction to him. So what happens when you get bitten? Early symptoms of systematic envenomation include goosebumps, sweating, tingling around the mouth and tongue, twitching, initially facial and intercostal, salivation, watery eyes, elevated heart rate, and elevated blood pressure. Second stage symptoms include nausea, vomiting, shortness of breath caused by airway obstruction, agitation, confusion, breathing, grimacing, muscle spasms, pulmonary edema of neurogenic and hypertensive origin, metabolic acidosis, and extreme hypertension. The final stages include dilation of the pupils, uncontrolled muscle twitching, unconsciousness, elevated intracranial pressure, and death. What do you do if you get bitten? Since most of these bites tend to be on the hands and feet, a pressure immobilization bandage should be applied to the bitten limb. Get urgent medical attention at hospital once the bandage is applied. If it is safe, collect the spider in a jar or container so that the species can be identified. For torso bites, which unfortunately have no way to bandage, act as fast as possible to get medical attention. Fastest reported death: in one reported case, a woman bitten in the neck died within 5 minutes. At number 2, the poison dart frog. Where will you find them? Poison dart frogs are chiefly found within the tropical rainforests of Central and South America. What's their size? These guys are pretty small and will be around 2 to 6 centimeters in size. How did they get their name? The animal received its nickname after evidence that the mucus from a handful of frog species, all from the relatively large Phyllobates genus, was used to poison the blow darts of indigenous people. Most poison dart frogs are brightly colored to warn potential predators of their toxicity. However, non-toxic poison dart frogs are cryptically colored so that they can blend in with their surroundings. Adult frogs are small, ranging from half an inch to just under 2.5 inches in length. On average, adults weigh 1 ounce. So how did they get their poison? The frog's poison comes from its diet, specifically alkaloids from arthropods accumulate and are secreted through the frog's skin. The toxins vary in potency. The most toxic poison dart frog is the golden poison frog. Each frog contains about 1 milligram of the poison, which is sufficient to kill between 10 and 20 people, or 2 bull elephants, or 10,000 mice. The poison prevents nerve impulses from transmitting the signals to relax muscles, causing heart failure. There are no antidotes for poison dart frog exposure. The frog has a special sodium channel so that it's immune to its own poison. So, who can eat this frog? Due to their toxicity, poison dart frogs have only one natural predator. Lemurdophis epinephelus, a species of snake that has developed a resistance to their venom. Far more detrimental to the species is the destruction of their habitat. How long does it take the poison dart frog to kill you? Just 3 minutes. At number 1, the box jellyfish. The box jellyfish has clusters of 15 tentacles that attach at its 4 corners, making a total of 60 tentacles. Each tentacle can be up to 10 feet long. It is estimated that an adult man only needs about 6 feet of tentacle to touch them to render the venom lethal. Doing this complex mathematics means one box jellyfish has enough venom to kill nearly 60 humans. The venom is especially dangerous since it affects many parts of the body in different ways. First, it travels through the veins and arteries straight to the heart. Secondly, it causes localized pain at the point of the sting. Third, that pain then spreads through the body. What will happen after a sting from a box jellyfish? Back pain, muscle cramping, nausea, vomiting, headaches, high heart rate, drop in blood pressure, heart complications. How can you prevent stings from the box jellyfish? First, always wear protective clothing. Any kind will do. Lycra suits or even pantyhose will reduce the risk while swimming, especially in the summer months. Swim only on patrol beaches, preferably in netted swimming areas. Do not run or dive into the water. Walk in slowly. Lastly, do not pee on the sting. Again, do not pee on the sting. Just get medical assistance as fast as possible. There we go. So that makes our top 3 baddest venomous animals. And just to mention, the box jellyfish will kill you under 3 minutes. That's why it takes fast spot. Next time you go swimming in the ocean, don't forget to take an iron suit with you. If you like this video, don't forget to click the like button. Drop any comments you may have and subscribe to get future content. Until next time, keep it baddest.